All new slot command, thread improvements. In ZW3D 2026, we have introduced a brand new slot feature. Clicking on the design surface can help users quickly construct 4 commonly used groove shapes: rectangular, spherical, dovetail, and T-shaped. The new slot function can help you quickly generate various slots. Previously, designing a keyway required at least 4 steps: sketching, dimensioning, extruded, cut, filleting. This operation method is very cumbersome and requires a lot of time to complete. Now, the same keyway can be completed within a single command. The operation is very convenient. Firstly, open the model that requires slot processing, and then click on the slot command in the shape. Secondly, select a point on the surface that needs to be processed to determine its position, and then remove the option for the ring slot. 3. Then select the rectangular slot type in the slot type option, and enter the width, depth, length parameters. Finally, enter the radius of the rounded corner to generate. In the 2026 version of ZW3D, the new slot function can significantly improve design efficiency, reduce tedious operations, and more realistically fit the actual design and production process. In ZW3D 2026, we have introduced revolutionary thread functionality. This feature allows you to quickly create multi-standard real threads, accurately representing thread structures. Revolutionary thread functionality. With the new thread feature, users can effortlessly generate various thread specifications. Previously, designing a real external thread required at least 4 steps: sketching, dimensioning, sweeping, Boolean operation, or users could only obtain a texture without knowing the actual shape and dimensions. Now, with just one click, the process is significantly streamlined. 1. Open the model requiring a thread and click the thread command. 2. Select the surface where the thread will be applied and define the offset distance and direction. 3. Choose right-hand rotation, set the type to M_4, select full as the length type, and set the rotation angle to 0. 4. Specify Boolean modeling, define the end position, and adjust the radius as needed. This command allows users to generate different standard external threads in one step, eliminating complex operations. Moreover, real threads can now be accurately represented in both native and neutral file formats.